Hello, hello. Let's see. I did unmute myself. I'm a smart boy. Hello, Lucy. Good afternoon. How do you do? How was your Warframe there earlier? I did see you there. I was working, so I couldn't stay for too long, sadly. But I hope you had a nice time there. Warframe is fun. It is, isn't it? It really is. I've played it a bit. I think I've put like 20 hours on it. Hang on, I need to... boop, there we go, full display. Oh god, I had to change the phone. I got... You lost your voice, oh no. How many hours do I have again? Oh Jesus, fuck. I didn't expect to have 60 hours in Warframe. Let's not look at that again. Yeah, I played a bit. I'm up to like BR 3.7 on Germany tanks, I think. Something like that. That sucks that you lost your voice. Did you do too much talking? I need to do something, which is increase the font over here, because this, I don't think this is really readable. And I always forgot how to do that. Change font size. Oh no, I did Google that before. The font by default font use no color scheme, promote information, yada yada yada. There we go. Oh no, that's a file. Can't I just get the settings? Please. Arcade was trash though, realistic. Oh, I can't do realistic. I'm so bad at it. I've only done the air. I've done like a few games of air realistic and mostly air arcade. But I do enjoy the tanks more in War Thunder. Colors and fonts? No. Why do you gotta be so rude? Give me settings. Font? Font? There we go. What do you want, cat? Nothing, apparently. Yeah, size 24. That might be a bit over the top, but you know. You did like tanks? Why not? What's wrong with the tanks? Ah, what was I doing here again? Let's see, I started this project a long time ago. Well, not that long, like a month ago. Yeah, it does really take some getting used to. Like you'll spend like your first 5 games just driving somewhere, dying, and doing it again. But once you get the hang of it, it is really fun. Let's see, what was I doing? Mindlessly going through this. Let me check my history. It's a lot of changes. Let me check my history over here. Nope. I think it's this one. No, this is the old one. Old abandoned projects. What's the last ones we did? See, let me get this out of here. No, this is still the old one. What the heck? I want to have the new one. There we go. Pull request merged. Oh yeah. Yeah, annual soldier. By the way, I'm trying to make like, oh no. Wait, did that just go horribly wrong? No, I hadn't selected the squad. There we go. I'm trying to remake like the enlisted squad thingy, where you can perk your soldiers in a way where you can just experiment with making your soldiers. and just get like a nice little overview and try stuff out. Let's see, I'm just trying to see what I did, because you could select squad, add soldiers to squad, and they all got their own hash. Yeah, my goal is in the end, actually, why am I explaining all this? I do have a little link if you're interested that just talks a little bit about what I want, what I want to make, and it started. Actually, hang on. What I can do now. Enable this, there we go. Our next step should be deleting the squad. Or deleting the soldier. That's features. Delete soldier. Yeah, in the end, my goal is that you can just share URL to somebody and they see like exactly the same setup as you have. So you can actually have like a meaningful discussion about, hey, this is how I build my soldiers and these are the perks, without having to share like full images. And also, I probably showed this off before, but I have like this horrendous text file, which is by now, what is this, 600 lines long, with how I want to perk out all my soldiers. I just want this better, because now I got like tier 3 soldiers, tier 4 soldiers, tier 5 soldiers, tier 2 soldiers, and I all want them a bit differently. And this is not feasible anymore. So I am trying to make a little thingy that I can use to do that. Oh no, hang on, my cats aren't behaving. Alright, I'm back, and... oh lord. Huh. Hey, there we go. I forgot that I had that ad warning enabled. But yeah, it's mainly for myself, so I can actually use this thingy. Oh no, why you? Oh yeah, of course. Wait, no initializer. And... oh yeah, you need this soldier ID. Is soldier ID? There we go. All right, so this should delete. Well, we can model this to delete a soldier from our local storage. So when the action soldier actions. Delete soldier is called. Public delete soldier. Yeah, we want to have the state, and we want to have everything that belongs along in that action. What up, Snowy? Hello, hello. How are you doing? Is it going to be possible to store data on a user account basis? No, actually, I want to have nothing to do with the database in this. You'll just have a URL. All you need is a URL. You can just save it in your bookmarks or anything, or you can share it to someone. But yeah, all you're gonna need to like look back at the squads you made is open a URL. The whole idea of it is it being stateless. But yeah, how you doing, Snowy? Been a while since I saw you around. Hope you're doing well. Let's see. We wanna reset the local storage. And the soldier should be. School started. Oh, I know it, man. I got my first exam on Friday. And I still haven't got like a school pass, so I'm not even sure. I need that to enter the exam, and it should be sent like 8 days ago, and I sent a mail after that. It's horrible. It still hasn't arrived, and I don't have it, and for now, if I don't have it at Friday, I won't be able to make the exam. So I'm kind of anxious about that. How does this work again? Let's see, I need to slice this, right? Slice array, JavaScript. How does this work again? You at least have like some interesting, yeah, it sucks, man, it sucks. You at least have like some interesting courses or lesson you're having? Because the exam I have is in business process management, which is like processing out how stuff in the business works, and it's so boring. Man, it's fucking freezing. That's the worst part of having to leave the house. It's freezing over there. Yeah, let me just check. Yeah, it's a good 5 degrees over here. I just took a walk like half an hour ago. It's really nice. You just have German. Ah, fair. Yeah, you're doing like immigration stuff, right? It's 4 degrees? Hey, that's not bad. At least I really like that weather. Is my mic a bit loud, by the way, because it's hitting the yellow on my side? Yeah, they just restarted it. Oof. They finally found replacement teacher. How long did that take? Sounds good. Alright, nice. Thank you. I'm just worried the moment it goes like in the yellow and it's almost hitting the red. But if it's not too loud, that's nice to hear. You like the cold, but when I'm inside, I like it both inside and outside. The best part about the cold is when you go lie down in a cold bed and slowly warms up around you. That's like, absolutely love that. Alright, first of all, I'm just gonna I just want to get a look of all the soldiers. Get state. Just gonna hack in public delete soldier with a soldier ID that will be a number. Then we say this store. We call the action new soldier actions dot delete soldier. We're just gonna delete soldier 0 because I know he exists, and then we just call that Just want a little button. You can have a little button, right? Lead soldier. 100%. Yeah, I know, right? That doesn't work for me. Chris goes to bed. My girlfriend usually goes to bed before me as well. But we have a pretty big bed, so like my side is cold. So I can get to heat it up. I just got a death stare and I don't know why, and now I'm scared. Alright, let me get just a big button. Just at the top. That can be gone. Wait. Yeah. Button, and the moment it gets clicked, delete soldier. Button. You'd be surprised how tiny Gremlin Electric can spread the whole house bed. That's fair. That really is fair. Alright, what do we have here? We have just an array of the soldiers. And the soldier do be having an ID. So I need to find the place in the list that the soldier's at. We do have the soldier ID. Wait, your soldier ID is... It is 0, okay. So then... Wait, where to leave it? Right, over here. So we say console... Soldiers, index off. So we say l.id is action dot id. Wait, what? Oh, action. Not plural, single. Action.soldier ID. Is this legal? What are you calling? It's not assignable to... Oh, well, that sucks. I thank you for the lurk, Snowy. Hang on, I'm just looking up something real quick. Yes. Alright, so this is not how this works. Let's see, index of. The index of array method returns the first index in which a given element can be found in the array. Yeah, that's not what I want. I just want to search over... Wait, isn't it find or something? Array prototype find? Let's see. Find method of array initialize return first element of provide array that satisfies the provided testing function. Alright. Oh, find index. There we go. So this shouldn't be index up, should be find index. You can be going. And what happens when we press the button? It returns 0. Alright. So then we can go back to how the deleting thing works. Returns a shadow copy. That's like a shadow copy is a copy whose properties are the same references As those source objects from the copy was made, result to change either the source of the copy. You may also contrast with which. Alright, so it's still dependent on the original, but that doesn't matter. That does not matter. We're changing the original to the new one anyway. So then we should say set state. Oh, fuck. What do I do? Alright, never mind. So all the soldiers are ctx get state soldiers. And then we say soldiers.slice. Oh, slice. It's either a triple type. Let me check. Oh right. No wait, what? A spread argument either have a triple strike or be best rasper. What the heck? Wait, what does find index do? Does it give back -1? Alright, so we get the soldiers. And then we go const index is this one. If index is bigger than -1, we delete whatever is at the index. No, actually, we say ctx set state. You return it, right? Yeah, you return it. ctx set state. This. So it should. Oh, what's wrong here? Argument of type soldier is not assignable to parameter. Oh right, we go soldiers. Actually, like this, and then open those, close those, and just making sure we're not breaking any of my own rules here. Wait, where's my? Can I not run ESLint anymore? Yeah, I can. Alright, there is an error. Defined but never used. Alright, there we go. Yeah, but say you should pass that along. And over here we say delete soldier, and delete soldier always passes the 0. So it should remove, let's see, I get all the soldiers that I currently have in my local storage. And I get the index of the soldier whose ID is passed. We say like, hey, if the ID is that, if it finds something, because it does find something, it goes -1. If it finds something, it removes it from the list, then it saves that in the local storage. So theoretically, let's see. I select this one, there's one soldier, I press the button, it does not get removed. That's interesting. Do you not get removed? Alright, let's put a little log here, because it could also be that it just doesn't update. Console log soldiers soldiers. So now it should just give me a little log of all the soldiers before I delete them. So over here, yep, I do have an empty array. And then if we do it again, oh, sorry, we add one. And then we delete one. Oh, that's interesting. Let's just change these to soldier. Alright, I'm just not gonna actually... Oh, fuck. Please open up. I don't know what I did to close you. Console log, soldiers index. I want to see what the index is if we would remove it. Alright, let's see. Yeah, that's the one soldier I was expecting. Then I click this. Soldier over here. Object count is 3, ID is 0. Yeah, the counts the number of ticks it has. Actually, I wanna do it like this, I think. This way it doesn't alter like the original array. I hope. So we click this, then I say remove it. Well, if I try to do something, I can still do something with it. And then I try to delete it. The count is updated. This is really interesting. Why are you not working? We're gonna show yada yada yada. Wait. What is the end? Is the end a position or the number of element that needs to be removed? Zero-based index to which to enter extraction. Alright. Alright, I'm just not being very smart, I think. There we go. So now it should remove like starting at index, stopping at index. Counter back from the array, that's not what I want. Zero-based index at which to end extraction. Slice extracts up to but not including. Alright, so I should index plus 1. Okay. That is very interesting. Now we click this and it's still there. It's very weird. Alright, why isn't this working? Alright, I'm gonna go ctx get state soldiers. So I will log it before and after we try to update it. Let's see if there's any change. So it is there. I can do the counting. So the before one's empty. The after one is not empty. I'm genuinely confused about what's going on now. Wait, before one should be like a fresh copy of the state, right? Yeah, you... Wait, 44? So the one at 39 is in... Actually, I'm just gonna go make a copy of this. Just gonna stop working with the existing one. I just want a copy of that. So we get those. Wait, do you just change the original array? Slice is copying. It does not alter this, but instead returns shadow copy that contains some or the base element. Removing from array JavaScript. I cannot figure out for the life of me why it doesn't work. You can pop that's like remove the last one. Shift removes the first one. Delete deletes the object property at its specified index, but does not update the length of the array and the value. That's not what I want. Splice. Wait. Did I just type? No, I did type splice. I didn't type slice. I remove the index of the element you wish to remove and the index you wish to remove up to. Okay. It creates a new array that stores all the values that were removed from the original array. The original array will no longer contain and its length will be updated. Alright, so takes a function. Oh, that might be a better one. Because it doesn't alter the original array. Why is Discord? Oh, free stuff. Widget and Ghostwire. I do not care about any of those. What if we go, we want to filter something? Takes a method as required. Let's see, because you filter out the stuff you want. So what we can do is we look for all the soldiers. And the soldier ID should not be equal to the soldier ID. No, wait. The action dot soldier ID. Hang on. I think we got something here. Let me check this. What do we have? I click the button. It's an empty array. I add more soldiers. I click the button again. We have 5 soldiers here, 0 to 4. And we get 1, 2, 3, 4. So we don't get 0. Okay, that's it. There we go. Such a smart cookie. Oh, no. Why will you not... There we go. Find index soldier ID. If index yes. CTX get state soldier yes. Wait, did I? Yeah, I did copy it. I'm smart enough to copy it. It's kind of ugly to do this all in one. I could do it like this. Let's see. The bigger font doesn't help. You expected a comma? Where do you expect a comma? So you have to filter. Oh, right. I should close these. There we go. So now, let's see. There's a soldier. I press the button. The soldier's still there. Oh, that's interesting. That actually makes a lot of sense. Let me retry this. Because there's no notification going to here that it should not update the soldier. So I can tick these. I can add more soldiers. Then if I try to delete the first one, it gets deleted. But nothing ever gets a notification like, hey, this soldier is deleted. So I can try to tick it up. Yes, okay. That has to do with these list of soldiers that we keep. Get soldiers, this update soldier list. Alright. So I go console log. New soldier list. Soldiers. Let's see what this yields. Because if we select squad, and if we add soldiers, it will show them. Now if we delete a soldier, it will update. It doesn't have that soldier, but I don't think there's anything yet that tells. Delete? It doesn't get deleted, Lucy. That's a problem. It is not deleted. Alright, let's see. You get new soldiers. I don't know how all this works. I wrote this a while ago. Let's see. Because we want to keep track of all this. So we loop through all the new soldiers. We check to our list that handles our change. So the page actually gets updated. If the soldier that we have is in there already. And if the squad still exists, I think. If squad list has soldier.squad ID. Oh, sorry. If this, yeah, if it's not in our list of local list of soldiers, and the squad ID does exist in our list of squads, we add it, and then we tell squad single list soldier squad ID set squad. Yeah, we tell the squads like, hey, there's an update. There we go. Yeah, I figured something out. It does make sense. We do check if we have a soldier ID that we don't know yet. We check like, hey, does the squad exist and can we add it? And we notify the squad like, hey, you have to update. But there's no check if all the IDs we have locally are also soldiers that actually exist in like our local database. It doesn't make a lot of sense the way I explained it, I'm afraid. Let's see, I'm gonna go soldiers map. I just want to see if I can get a list of all the IDs that are in the new list of soldiers I'm getting after we delete something. So now we only have 0. So we have 0, 1, 0, 1, 2. If we delete it, we should have 1 and 2. Alright, so this gets updated. Then we need a list of all the soldiers we have locally. That's a problem I've had before. So then we go console log soldiers local. This get all them soldier IDs. Alright, let's see. So we add a few soldiers. So if all the local. Wait, that makes sense. There's one behind because we only added down here. So I'm gonna move this to the bottom. Delete soldiers from maps if they are no longer in the state. Otherwise I'll have questions like, why the heck is this here? We need to make sure it's actually added to the list we keep here, otherwise we can delete it. Oh, we're gonna delete too much if we don't do that. So yeah, now they keep in sync. And I press my delete button. And this one gets updated and this one doesn't. So we need to figure out what's the difference between those two lists. Arrays get differences JavaScript. I don't want to iterate it. There has to be like a really simple. Need to compare keys. I don't need to compare keys. Alright. Apparently we need to loop through this. So we filter it. Make some logic for every item. We don't want. I want an item in the first array. It's not included in the second one. So we want to get this dot filter soldier ID, which is a number. Actually, I don't need to write it out. Includes probably a nicer way to do it. Const fresh list. That's a horrible way to name it, but I'm just gonna roll with it for now. So we go fresh list. Dot include? Yeah, include. Because I want to check if it's in there. So this should be the to delete list. The delete. I want to make this in a way where it just can go through multiple at the same time, because if we delete squad, we also want to remove all the soldiers that are associated with that squad. So if we make it like if we program this correctly now, oh no, it finds everything. No. No, you should not include. Oops. I looked if they were like in both lists, and that's not what I want. Alright, so we click a few times, we have 6 of them, and now press the button, and we get 1 we have to delete. Const soldier IDs to delete. Just going for a really let's see, fresh soldier IDs. I'm just going for long elaborate names so I can remember them later. Actually, I should call it like accurate soldier IDs. I forgot I deleted the S. There we go. Wait, is my insert on? No, it ain't. Accurate soldier ID. There we go. Only took me 3 tries. Thank you. Then we go soldier IDs to delete. Dot for each. So what if I just am like delete soldier ID? So I just remove them from like 2 lists. And then we say this. I can type, I swear. This is my job. Soldier signal list, delete soldier ID. Right, so we have 1, 2, 3 soldiers over here. We press the button. And we have 2 soldiers over there. Wait, did my S soldier break after that? Alright, I can't delete it again. That makes sense because there's no soldier with ID 0. Wait, I think I know what's happening. Let me just stick this one a few times. And then we go add soldier. Dang it. New soldiers get created at the length of this list. That doesn't make sense, I'm sorry. It's a horrible way to explain it. Oh. Because if there's 2 soldiers in this list, the ID of the 3rd soldier will be 2. So I just go for the length of this. And that's the ID. We start at 0, so the list is 1 long. Then we add a soldier, the list is 1 long, so the ID is 1. But if we delete a soldier in there, so the list shrinks from having 2 soldiers to having 1 soldier. Oh, that's horrible. Yep. Oh, that's a flaw. That's a big flaw. Oh, god dang it. Right. Let's see, how do I handle adding soldiers? That's handled from the squad. That's over here. Let's see what we say here. We say this view if you get squad ID, select squad. Oh, do I just... Yeah, you're public, so I just immediately communicate with this. Let's see, we don't need you anymore, because theoretically deleting soldiers works perfectly, kinda. Squad IDs for each. This squad list gets squad ID, squad list set map. Okay. Somewhere in here should be something to create a new soldier. Add squad, add soldier. Yeah, that's just, we get the squad ID, we pass it along to this. So the only thing you know is the squad ID. Alright, we're just gonna make this a bit... We're just gonna make a new one for this, let's see. I say we're gonna make it and then I start thinking. Amazing. What we should do is try to get the highest ID among all soldiers. Actually, you're an array, right? And we always add them top to bottom. That's an assumption. I cannot assume that. Thinking. Because ideally I don't wanna like run through all the soldiers. Because that's quite ugly to do. But I do need to know what the highest ID is. And I don't wanna... Can I do get states? Actually, I should... Alright, let me just do this little technical thingy. We have this because this makes it possible for me to add some new shit to this. Because we can just say, alright, I need to update you. I have max soldier ID is a number. Yeah, you do not. I know, I'm working on it. Stop complaining. Max soldier ID will be 0. So now over here, CTX get state, max soldier ID +1. Oh, actually, we can do this somewhere else. Because over here we want to go console. No, not console. We want to save max soldier ID is that. New soldier ID. New soldier ID. Wanna save that. Over here we say new soldier ID. Oh no, you're called max soldier ID, and it is a new. Yeah, the value is equal to new soldier ID. And the ID of new soldier should be new soldier ID. So this way, the ID of new soldier, we keep track of the latest ID of the soldier. But over here, yeah, no, we add a new soldier, so it's okay. All right. Let's see. Add soldier. Oh wait, I already did the thing. That's not very smart of me. So we add a few soldiers over here. Then we delete the first one, and then the next one should just continue counting as it does. Beautiful. I'm sure this will have no negative consequence later on whatsoever. I almost believe that. Okay, the next one. Next thing we need to do is actually add this to the soldier, because now it's just at the top. And we can't actually select what soldier we want to remove. So we have function delete soldier ID, which will be a number. You don't give anything back, you just do something. So this store dispatch. Want to call a new action. Concerning a soldier, so it will be a soldier action. Will be delete soldier. We will pass the soldier ID along. Duplicate? Excuse me, did I already add you and absolutely forgot about it? That sounds like something I would do. Delete soldier. Yeah, it's exactly what I just typed. Beautiful. Then we want to go to the soldier component. Want to add a little break here. We say button delete a soldier. We go the moment you're clicked. I want to go delete soldier ID. And I know it doesn't exist yet. I'm working on it. Stop complaining. And over here, we're gonna make a little thingy. Public delete soldier. Soldier ID will be a number. We just call that. So now, whenever, I wanna add an extra little break over there. Delete the soldiers. Just, they will be deleted in 1 second. Let's see. Add. So we have a lot of soldiers here. Let's see. Delete. Yes. We can do a little tick on those. They can still be updated, but we can delete that one. Oh, beautiful. And we can add a new one. And we can delete him. Ah, wonderful. Alright. We can add more soldiers. We can delete soldiers. Oh, alright. So now comes the really interesting part. Testing it. Not just testing it, writing something to test it for us. Here we go. I hate this part. I never do this part. I always try to like not do it. Alright, I'm gonna make a list. I always skip on tests, and I'm really trying not to. Where's my notepad? Open notepad. There we go. Hello, notepad. So let's see. What should we test? So we have a happy path. That's just delete soldier. Soldier gets removed from soldier list and signal list. Is there anything else in the happy path? Like you can delete a soldier. Yeah, I'd say that's about all you can do. I'm gonna get an edge case, which is delete soldier ID that does not exist. And it shouldn't change anything. These are the things I wanna test. Every time I'm just too lazy to actually write it. To be honest, I did generate some tests with AI, and I think the IDs are good, but in the end, what I found out is I don't learn anything from it. I don't know what is actually being tested. Like it says something's tested. I don't know if it's if that's true. So, how does it work again? Alright, there we go. Just gonna copy this over from there. I don't care about squads right now, I just want a soldier. Soldiers. So we say max soldier ID. Oh, that's just something we literally just saw. If I delete a soldier, it should create a new soldier. It should without trouble. Because it didn't do that earlier. It wrote over the last soldier. So we're gonna say there's max soldier ID. First one is just should delete soldier. Should delete soldier. So we're just gonna make state with one soldiers, and we're gonna go say new soldier 01. And then over here we call the delete soldier with the ID of 0. Actually, I'm gonna do a little thingy over here. Because I do expect the size of this soldier list right here to be 1. I want to make sure like everything is initiated correctly. Not callable? No, that's correct. And the soldier signal list. And then over here, we expect the size of these two to be 0. Because we create a new thingy with only one soldier. So we create all the soldier lists to be 1. Then we delete soldier and we expect it to be 0. run it. Sorry, I actually run it. Oh no. Oh no. Expected 1, actual 0. Alright, so something is going wrong with this? Interesting. You're not getting those updates? Hang on. I should do this. This is why I wanted to actually write this by hand instead of letting it generate. Because I would not notice this if it was generated. So you want to pass you along. And let's try it again. Nope. It's still not in there. Oh, but that's right. I just initiated it with... May test. What happens if we turn this around? Because it doesn't have like access to the local database the moment I add stuff to it, so it shouldn't be able to check that. It's not getting any updates on that. Alright. We're gonna do it a bit differently. We're gonna say service.add soldier. We're gonna create a new squad. Soldier add squad. And then we say service add soldier to squad 1. Let's see what happens if we try it like this. Expect a 0. You are at line. It is this one. Server add squad. Why will this not work? I'm kind of intrigued. Expect you size to be, yeah. Apparently I know nothing about this. And I feel kind of stupid. So what if we say soldiers who wanna... Hey, thank you for the lurk, Lucy. New soldier 01. I should really fix that command though. Alright, y'all, get out of my way. Expected 1, actual 0. Let's see. What is that? Update squad signal list. Actually, it's kind of correct. So let's see. We go service.add updates soldier signal list, and we go new soldier 01. Then we go soldier list to be 1. Alright, let's test this one out. Just as like a baseline expectation. Does this do what I think it should do? Alright. And then we go service dot delete soldier 0. Expect service soldier list dot size to be 0. Oh. Oh no. No, but that's correct. That's correct. Because state doesn't exist in this environment. We should pass you an empty array. Soldiers when it is removed from the state. No tests were found. Oh, that's correct, because I removed the naming. That is not very bright of me. Let's see. Should delete soldier when it is removed from the state. And then it should call the state to remove a soldier with the given ID. So then we go service delete soldier for 0. Oh, ads are over and I'm back. Still not really happy with the way the test works. Let's see. Server gets to be. Let's see. There was a way to check if something was called. Right? Wait, what's wrong over here? What are you complaining about? Alright, you're not undefined. To be called. It does not exist. That's sad. Alright, let's see. We're gonna get these out of the way. I'm just gonna run all the tests, see if it... Wait, I don't have the test one pinned? Why don't I have the test one pinned? All configurations. All tests, there we go. Can I ping you? Pin, there we go. Can I change the order of these? I can. Oh, that's lovely. And all the tests have run correctly. Oh, that's beautiful. Let me do my last lint. Let's just check if the code is up to standards. Errors? Oh, I forgot to remove a log. Yeah. This is why we check the validity of the code. You can be gone. And yeah, it should be double quote, but it doesn't matter. Let's try it again. Oh, ordering. Yeah. Excuse me, princess. One more time. Just say everything passed. Yes, thank you very much. What's in here? We can just ignore this. Add to git ignore. There we go. Then we say deleting soldiers. We push it. Oh, then over here. Programming, post stories, and listed squad manager. Create a pull request. And now we gotta wait a little bit for this to run. Oh no. Updated. Actually, no, I'm not gonna change this right now. So you go back over here. Hey, that is a ban fair loudspeaker. Beautiful. I should really address this and update some stuff on my server. I just don't feel like it. Because I am lazy. So we want a new branch. It's gonna be a feature slash. I always type TCEX. Delete a squad. Let's just hope nothing in there breaks. It's gonna be fine. I'm sure of it. Alright, so we say components, a squad. We're just gonna start it on over here. We say public delete squad. Wait, what's your... You can be unknown, right? Number signal 0, okay. Actually, over here, we should add delete squad with an ID. And all the way at the bottom. Public delete squad. Squad ID is a number. You don't need to return anything. Then we say this store dispatch new squad actions delete squad ID. And then over here export class delete squad. Static read only default delete squad. You should be called add squad. Expected 0 arguments got 1. Oh, that's right. We didn't tell you we actually expected something. Say constructor squad ID will be a number. You happy now? Or are you still complaining? Nope, you're happy. Squad ID. Yeah, and over here we say public squad ID is a number. And then this squad ID is squad ID. There we go. See if there's any errors over here. I don't think there should be, but you never know. Just a bunch of warnings, hopefully. Squad signal list. Get squad ID, alright. Over here we say delete squad. And it should go over there. Then we go to squad.store state. Hey, what do you know? Everything went correct. Oh, excuse me. Everything went swimmingly, so we approve of it. We say merge. And if we look over here, alright, so now this is a main. Everything should be fine now. Set state, squads, yeah, alright. Then we go to the next one, add action. Delete squad. Public delete squad. Text, state, context. Squad state. This is what should be passed, and you're gonna be getting an action, which is squad actions dot delete squad. Yeah. Alright, just as an example, I'm gonna go to soldier.state. There we go. Actually, before I do anything else, I need to make sure I'm up to date with what I just merged. So we update these. Make sure we get all the remote changes. And then I want to make sure... Smart March? Please don't tell me you have an error. You don't. Lovely. Alright. Actually, I want to have the same button. And then we say button, click is delete squad. .id. Delete squad. There we go. Wait. What? Oh, yeah, we go over there. No, wait, I'm confused. Yeah, we just call you from here, so you don't need this. Get out. Alright, so now we have that. Free test passed. Thank you very much for that notification. I don't know why I needed it, but here we are. Off with their heads. I mean, right now we can just off all the soldiers we want. We can just add a lot and remove a lot. And add a lot and remove a lot. Beautiful. Didn't you used to work in something IT related, Lucy? I seem to recall something like that, but I can be absolutely missing something. So look, squad is get saved. Just let's see what we're working with here. What do we have? We have a list of all the squads with, well, basically the same as soldiers. Because I haven't actually started populating them with anything of real consequence. Which is great, because we can mostly reuse this code over here. We do probably need to inform the soldiers that there's... Yeah, if we remove a squad, we also have to inform all the soldiers, like, hey, your squad no longer exists. Please remove yourself from existence. A travel consultant. I was absolutely mistaken. I'm sorry about that. Alright. Oh, well, I'm just gonna copy most of this. I want to rename soldiers to squads. You're gonna be squads. Action's gonna be squad ID. And you're gonna be squad ID, and this soldier's gonna be squads. With Amadeus. Amadeus? I'm sorry, I'm not. It's how travel works. I'm not familiar with this. Technological journey. Is this like a software company that does stuff with it? What do you guys do? Like, tell me what you're doing. This is the most corporate environment I've seen in a long time. The core for travel. It's a YouTube video. I'm not watching a fucking YouTube video. In the face. Just want to know what these guys do. It's like an all-around integration thingy, something like that. I want to see this image in a readable size, please. Readable enough. This Lift Innovation Lab next where... Yeah, it sounds like they're just integrating a lot of different systems, something like that. Am I correct there? You should be called not a soldier, or squad. Well, I love the when I can just reuse a lot of code. Squad find index, you're gonna be renamed squad. Yeah, I don't think there's any soldiers left here. Just as a core database to all travel agencies and airlines connection. Oh, wait. I think I saw a video about that system. Is it like the old MS-DOS interfaces where you can just type in ridiculous queries if you know what you're doing? Because that's really cool. Alright, what happens if I try to delete this? Yeah, oh, that's cool. It's hope not to pull in your parade here, but it sounds like it's hopelessly outdated, and a lot of airline companies just don't want to use it anymore because it doesn't accommodate them anymore. Yeah, it's I do remember a similar thing when I got my glasses checked, like or my eyes checked for new glasses a few years ago, and the guy was just typing in an old MS-DOS interface and was going through the whole system. I love those systems. You can do a lot. I feel like you can do a lot with those if you know what you're doing. Like if you're trained properly and you have some experience, you can probably do a whole lot. But it does require a lot of knowledge. What was that video? Sorry, I'm curious now. Was Wendover? I think it was Wendover. Under British Airlines at that top. Yeah. The airlines industry problem with absolutely ancient IT. I remember that. It's probably somewhere in here, like that really old interface. It's a really cool video as well. Ah, you're working with that. That's cool though. I love that. Alright, so we have this. I think the problem is going to be that it's just gonna be soldiers not linked to any squad if we do it like this. Because if we add soldiers over here and delete squad, the soldiers still exist. If I select a different squad, I can never go back to them. You lost it. Yeah, you told that. That's really sad. It sucks. I mean, do you still have knowledge? Like, if you could get in a state where you could work again, could you go back to that job? Would you go back to that job? Wait, this is interesting. Why are you squad number 3? You're squad number 5? How does adding squads work? Add squads. Yeah, you do the same stupid thing as the soldiers. You just count the number of squads and go +1. Max squad ID will be 0. Oh yeah, I need to add it over here as well. Max squad ID will be a number. You see, you exist. Thank you very much. Then we need to make sure we don't override it everywhere. Oh, I actually did it correctly here. The job doesn't exist anymore. Oh. Wait, they don't use that system in Spain? Or is it just a really saturated market? Oh, I actually made this one correctly, and the other one I did not make correctly. Alright, we're gonna go back to the soldiers. What soldier actions? Because we need a new one, which will remove all the soldiers linked to a squad. Class remove soldiers for squad. Then we say static read-only type, which is remove soldiers for a given squad. We have public squad ID, which will be a number, and then we say, why am I typing everything when I can just copy it and change a few little things? That sounds way more productive. Squad ID, squad ID, squad ID, there we go. System still in use, but travel agency work moved to that sucks. I mean, I was about to say, it does sound like a system that would be like kicked out easily. But if you have some like provable experience and you are ready to get back into the workforce, if you know, I don't know your personal situation, so I can't really judge. I can neither judge nor comment in depth about it. But it sounds like something that's a big plus if you're trying to. It's not solicitate, that's not the right word. If you try to apply for a company, like, hey, I already know this, like, global system. So that could be a big plus. Where's my soldiers? Soldiers.state.tip. Actually, no, because I only half implemented this. Because you should go state.max squad ID +1. And max squad ID should also be updated. I'm just gonna make this constant. New squad ID is state.max squad ID +1. And you're gonna be used over there and over there. Are you working? Huh. Oh, beautiful. So let's test this. Oh no, I want to add some squads. Oh no, it should start at 1, not a 0. So we add a few squads. Then we say delete 1. Delete 5, so the new one should be 6. There we go, beautiful. I love it. Alright, so that's all this done. Then we should go over here. Yeah, we need to be able to delete all the soldiers of one given squad. So first of all, you're going to be called by an action, which is soldier action delete. Wait, what? Soldier actions remove. I'm not gonna use remove and delete interchangeably. We're just gonna call you delete. Copy that over to there. Go away, go away, go away. Thank you. Knowing Amadeus and having lots of Amadeus certificates will help me get similar jobs in the future. My body isn't too bad anymore. Hey, that's something at least. Happy to hear that. Oh, I should let you know that you're part of the soldier actions. With a dot. There we go. Yeah, I'd be in like kind of a similar situation if I ever lose my job, because IT right now, especially programming, is just really sought after. There's lots of work there. Soldiers for squad. I don't like that this is not plural. Singular? Is singular the antithesis of plural? I think it is. What are you complaining about? Enable the signature map as my call. War squads? Yeah, there we go. Only thing I regret is not pushing my boss hard to give me access to the expert certification test. Ah, that sucks. Yeah, that probably would have been really nice. But yeah, those things are always like easier to see after the fact. At the moment you're like, I'll do it whenever there's time. Let's see. This thing is still mad at me. Oh wait, should I delete soldiers? There we go. What? Module has now exported member. Yes you do. It's over here. Delete soldiers for squad. I'm confused. Oh, I don't need to export them all because I have all of them. I'm being a smart cookie. Alright, so the plan is we're gonna get all the soldiers for X squad. Call delete soldier for each, because if we ever want to add some logic to that, I don't want to do it in two places. That sounds good. Sounds good to me. Oh, there's that. What are you complaining about? Hey, there we go. Ads are over. Cannot find name soldier. You're not named though. Oh, I shouldn't add a colon over there. Wait, I'm confused. What are you complaining about? Alright, let's see. We go to all the soldiers. I'm just gonna make this a bit more. There we go. At you, we enter over there. Why are you grayed out? Soldier. Alright, so we go through all the soldiers. We say we add a filter to it. So we say your squad ID needs to be equal to the squad ID that we pass to this. And then for all those soldiers that we filtered out of there, we call the action up here, which should take care of deleting all the soldiers and doing all the checks if we can and anything. The ads crashed your Chrome? How the heck did they manage to do that? That's wonderful. Oh, I should program up here, because otherwise my avatar's in the way I just saw. Which is not very smart. Alright, so hang on, I'm gonna go add the little thingy over here. So we say console log deleting soldier. Oh no, soldier doesn't exist. We have the ID. That's the only thing we have. There we go. Yeah. Alright, so we say we add another, add squad. And then we say to squad number 2 we add a soldier. So squad number 2 has soldier number 1. And if we delete this, we should get delete soldier 1. Dang it, it's not there. It should be down there. Why isn't it there? Do I not call this? That will be very intense. No. Alright, then we go over here. New delete soldiers for squad. Action.squad ID. So smart. So attentive. Alright, let's try this again. So we add a bunch of squads. To squad number 2 we add soldier number 1. Then we delete. And the soldier number 1 should be deleted. Well, it says it's deleted, so, you know, I have no reason to doubt this. It also does count from soldier number 2, so that's good. Alright. These still work. If we delete. What I should still do. Let's see, where do I keep track of that? Because if we delete squad and it is selected, it should no longer be selected. So over here we go if this dot selected squad is squad ID. This selected squad ID dot set 0, because 0 is like the neutral. We don't have a squad selected. So we're just gonna we have squad number 3 selected with 1 soldier in there. We're gonna delete this. Select the squad 3. Why are you not deleted? Console, or why not unselected? This selected squad ID and squad ID. Alright, add squad. Add soldier to squad number 3. Delete. Alright, they are the same, they're both free. But for some reason, it won't update? Why won't you update? Oh, wait, I should probably... Let's see. I do have a thingy where I say what the selected squad is, right? Select squad, and that says this select squad ID dot set. This is the same thingy I do, right? Let's see. Because we don't need to do this, but this is the same thingy. Alright, what I do suspect is happening is like we set it to 0, but we also technically click on the squad, because the button is inside of the squad. So it gets like set to 0 for half a microsecond. And then it gets updated to select the squad we just deleted. Alright, so what if we first delete the squad? I doubt this will work, but... There we go. Squad 2. Yeah. You know what? I'm not gonna be bothered by this. Because even if you see the squad, it will just be an empty squad. And I will probably have to fix this at some point or another. This is squad number 2, right? Yep. Delete. I love seeing all those soldiers being deleted. That should be... let's see, because we still have... There's one log in there. I should write test for this. But I'm just gonna go to my readme. I do not want this overview on the right side. Actually, I should write this next. Write test for dynamic signals. Write tests for states. Write tests for squad deletion. Now, if you can't be bothered to actually write the test, just leave a note that you definitely will do it somewhere in the future. This will have no consequences whatsoever. This will only have positive consequences for me. Oh boy. Alright, let's make sure we haven't broken anything here. I want to run all the tests. Yeah, I don't care if you've run them lately. I just want to see it. I want to see all those tests pass. There we go. That's beautiful. Let's see if all my code is up to my own standards. I'd be surprised if it was, but you never know. Huh. Damn. Well, apparently I did something correctly. Deleting squads. It doesn't have deleting squad and any soldier inside a squad. Commit and push. Push. Alright, let's create a pull request so we can add this to main. Wait, did I remove the other branch? Or is that still... No, that's not there. Yeah. Alright, nice. I am going to go back to my main branch. Boom, boom, boom. Wait, what's in here? Alright. I should probably do this correctly in my git ignore. Because I did add this, but I don't know if it's been added correctly. It just keeps popping up there, and I don't want it there. Wait, is it a whole folder? You shouldn't keep track of those things. So we say \.nx. Will you stop complaining now? Yeah, I'll add those at some later point. Boom, boom, boom. Alright. Just patiently waiting. Let's see. I just want to have that little check mark. Alright, built-in test went alright. Yep. In the meantime, I'm just gonna have a look at some of the other stuff I did. No, it should be in the old one. My old tried to make the same thing. Data, perks. Oh god, I forgot this existed. Alright, I'm just gonna add these. Let's see, that will... Yeah, I won't do that today. But I can... why are you doing this? Go away, go away, go away, go away. There we go. Go over there. Because the next thing should be... Perks. Feature... Slash perks. We're just gonna call it perks. Because it will do probably a whole lot. So in here I'm gonna... No, I'm just gonna go in here, say new data folder, and in there we add perks.ts. Yeah, you can be added. I thought I copied it, apparently I did not. Copy, paste. And then we go to... I should somewhere in here, if I'm correct, have a list of all the different classes. Was it not in here? It's most definitely not in here. Models? I really tried to make this correctly, didn't I? Let's see, because class has all the perks. Oh, possible perks. But where did I leave all the possible classes? That's not in there. That's not big enough. Definitely not big enough. This code is horrendous. No wonder this this didn't work out. Oh my lord. Let's see. Soldier, do you have anywhere? Store select, get all soldier map. I just want to... I should have like an old list of all the possible classes. I just don't know where. Source, squad action. Can be in here, right? No. Alright, let's see what's in here. Right, I remember how I did these. Okay. Now I just need to know... Oh, that's my CSS. I don't need that. Can I read this, please? There we go. This soldier.get. Do you remember the day today? 5/11? You mean USA Voting Day? Or is there some other reference I'm not getting? Wait, is it still somewhere over here? Setting up soldiers, that does sound like... Soldiers have classes, right? That's how this shit works. Oh, apparently not. Have anything referencing classes? Soldier state... Is it in there? It's not. Delete squad. Yeah, I remember this. This old system, it just completely went awry when I tried to delete the squad. There was no way to do it. Well, there probably was. It just was gonna be hella ugly and impossible to keep up with. Somewhere in here, there should be like a list of all the classes with the IDs I associated with them. I just can't recall for the life of me where. Maybe it's in here? Wait, what are you referring to, Lucy? Wait, why? I don't want to see this file. I definitely don't want to see this big ass file. Remember. Ah, the 5th of November. God damn it. I did not remember. I did definitely not remember. Isn't it like a UK national holiday, something like that? Bonfire night? Bonfire, I'm sorry, it's not bonfire. Ugh. Oh no, that's not better. Where's my dark mode? Yeah, it is. At least I remember the correct name. Oh no. Alright. Classes. Classes.ts. I remember making this file. When did I do this again? There's timestamps on here. 2024? No, that's incorrect. Yeah, I was working on this in 2022. So what I'm gonna do, export constant classes. I'm just gonna make a list of all the classes that are accounted for over on the left side. And I'm gonna give them all an ID and a name. Yeah, they need a name. You're a tanker. What's this? This is a little thingy I've actually been working on for like a long time intermittently, but I wanna make... Actually, I keep explaining this. I have this site. There we go. I wanna make this thing. I wanna make the enlisted soldier thingy. Where you can just make multiple squads and share them. I want to make it in a way that you can just share a URL to someone and they see the same thing as you do. Which I think will be helpful in, well, discussing enlisted soldiers and keeping track of how a person like me, who wants to have all their soldiers the same way. I will allow you. I will allow that. Who wants all the soldiers in the same way, not have to keep this kind of list, but just have a bookmark of URLs, like multiple bookmarks, and visually see how they want their soldiers to be. Can you add Gaylord Barton? I have no idea who Gaylord Barton is. Twitch doesn't want me to talk about the best anti-tank soldier. Of course he is. Of course he is. You cannot name him, but you can probably, like, if I ever actually get to making this thing, get to finish this thing because I'm making it, you can absolutely make him in here. But yeah, that's like the point I'm at right now is you can add squads. You can add soldiers to squads and you can select different squads. And you can delete soldiers and squads. I made the deletion of both today. You could probably make codes which pulls the name from where. Like that enlisted has no endpoint. Like I once tried to like make a completely enlisted related, so I'm just gonna go off on this tangent. I once made a little thingy where I wanted to get all this data of all the replays. Holy shit, one soldier? Absolutely not. Oh, these are the operations. You applying this only enlisted? For this particular project, yes, there is only enlisted. But I once tried to I don't want mission Operation Shield, I just want normal mission. There we go. I get all this data that you see here and that you don't see. Like, who are the bots in here? All these bots with user ID 0. Jesus fuck. There's only one player in here. What the hell? But yeah, I tried to save all the data and like try to do some analysis on it to see how many actual players there were and stuff like that. And I had to do it in a real janky way. I had to read this data and do it, yeah, like I said, in a real janky way. And it crashed my server because I had put no checks on it. And I only had 50 gigabytes of storage. And I ran out of that in half a month. Just on user data. Just on match data. So this poor guy, like he's literally the only player in here. Oh no. Poor them. Anyway, I don't know what else I would make it for, Swazi. Did he win? I don't know. They don't tell you who wins. Like, you get no information other than players. Like, you can see if somebody's a console player, you can see what they played, when they played it. Don't even know if you can see how long the match lasts. Can you? Is there something in here? Was not showing you. Oh, there it is. This took 2 minutes. Alright, hang on. I'm really curious what the heck this is about. This is the weirdest thing I've seen. But yeah, there's hardly any info on here. Like, you can see the match, but there's no way to know who won or, you know, who left the game halfway through. I want to know what the heck is going on. Why did this match last 2 minutes? This was 10 minutes ago? I still have the code lying around for that somewhere. I keep dreaming I go around to actually fixing that and get some actual useful data on the player base of enlisted. The one player left. I mean, don't they just... I assume that's what happened. Replace. Can I... I don't do this enough. Watch replay. Does it automatically open? Has launched in the game client. Did you though? Did you really? Launch the game login with the same account as on the site. Alright, that probably need to be... Can I open a folder or something like that? I don't use the system. There we go, folder. Go to my downloads. Copy it in there. Does it automatically update or do I have to close it and open it again? Player the luck? No. Or did this guy just like wait a few minutes until the match started? Is this a custom? This is a custom game. I think. Or is it just like this overview? Nobody ever spawns in. Yeah, there we go. Oh, I didn't change the speed. I'm sorry, that sounds very cursed. Right, so it does look like it's just this one guy being a little bit confused. And being like, nah, fam, I'm out of here. That boat has some good mortars, though. Open a chip mix, I know, right? Yeah, Will's probably kicked for inactivity. Alright. So that was very interesting. It's probably like his first game. Because as far as I know, the first games are still all with bots. Alright, we go ID number 4. That's a pilot. ID 4 and 8 are pilots. I'm just gonna say you are the attacker. Quotation marks, attacker pilot. I hate reverse engineering this. And we go. Whoop. ID number 8 will be the. What's the other one? Fighter pilot? Go back. Fighter pilot. Engineer. There we go. Go. ID 3. Name. Engineer. There's no way to reverse engineer this. Wait, what? You should be includes through classes 1. So that's for tanks. That's not for tanks. That's for tanks. It's not for pilot. Only for tanks and pilots. There's so many things missing here. Sure of it. And there we are again. I'm quite sad I don't have the old list anymore. Is it really not in here? I'm pretty sure I got at some point to the point where you could add like a soldier and give it a class. And for that I need to have the list of classes somewhere in here, but I cannot find it for the freaking life of me. Let's see, do we have anything in here? TypeScript, what do you say? You can have squads, add soldiers, soldier new, remove squad. Oh, this for squads. I should be looking at squads if I want to get for soldiers. Alright, but is it like in this branch, all develop, resource not found? Oh right, this specific thing doesn't exist on that branch. We go over here. Let's see, this folder, data, these are the perks I was just looking at. Alright, what's in here? This for squads. It says squads on the front, I don't know why I clicked it. This for storage. This is just general. Alright, this is a lot of stuff that exists theoretically, but doesn't actually do anything. Soldiers. Alright, here's stuff with soldiers. What's in here? So I probably shouldn't be looking in here. Nope. Data has nothing. Hey, Julie. Good afternoon. How are you doing? Does this say anything? Nope. I'm sorry, I'm just poking through some old code. Programmer watching programmer. Hey, you're a programmer? I didn't know that, man. What do you work with? Get ID at perk. Alright, there's something about perks here. Hobby. Well, what do you hobby with? Python. Hey, nice. I wrote some terrible Python scripts. I did it recently, actually. Right, hang on. I can show you how terrible I can write Python. It's not in here. I did not want to have that on Git. Hang on. I did write a little script to get data of a wiki. After I wrote the script, I wrote a script that actually parses HTML with some external tools. I'm not the top one, neither am I. Like, look at this bullshit. I had a list and sometimes it didn't do like a sort of thing where I linked some ID with... yeah, I had an ID and I had to replace it with another one. It should do it automatically, but it didn't do it. And it had something to do with UTF-8 encoding. So I had to loop through like a list of items and do it all again. Until it worked. Your most complicated program got nuked by Google. What did you write? It worked with emails. Oh, yes. Yeah, Gmail nuked your program. I mean, that's just how you work with email. It all changes and it's always horrible. Just don't work with email. You made a deer draw a deer head in Python. That's cute. That's nice. I don't even know what's a deer in this context. Oh, cat, please leave my screen where it is. I want it over there. You might find this progress, this thingy I'm working on, interesting. Julie, sorry, words just absolutely left me. And I've made a little site to explain it, but in short, I want to have like the enlisted squad thingy where you can just add your soldiers to a squad and add perks to them. So, and I want to make you able to actually share everything you made just by sharing a URL with someone. So you can make like a default squad layout and you can send it to someone like, hey, this is how I built my squad. Or this is how I like to build my engineers. Which I think is might be useful actually in discussing stuff. And for me it's mainly because right now all my enlisted squad soldiers are like typed out like this. If I have a machine gun in tier 2, I want to have them like this. And in tier 5 I want them a different way. And this is just getting hectic with like 3 different tiers I'm currently building for. So I just want to have this. Hello background person. Yeah, she just got really loud, didn't she? Easy said you could give this program 2 emails, it would send data with your request. Kind of like cloud servers running locally. Oh, that's cool. That's a nice program. You work on USA. Yeah, I did actually grind out my USA squads. Oh, you were there, weren't you? I'm telling you this. You were there. But yeah, currently I'm looking at an old list of... I'm looking for a list of all the different... Oh my lord, all the different classes with IDs reference to it. And I can't find them. How goes the USA grind though? You making some progress? The thing, it was close to be a virus. Like small change will be a virus. I mean, that's a lot of programming stuff, isn't it? Like a lot of stuff you program, if you program it slightly differently, it will just nuke some things, or, you know, it can be used in a bad way. Or anything else? Setting up soldiers. Maybe it's in here. Not in the data folder. Windows Defender doesn't detect the exe version. Nice. Nope, nope, this is too new. I need the really old ones. I'm afraid I just deleted it. This is gonna be pain. I'm gonna have to make a new list. Where's that unlisted thingy? There we go. That one. Oh yeah, thank you Google. Thank you for just doxing me. Hmm? Able to make viruses and literally have little to no experience. Yeah. I mean, it's not as hard as a lot of people think it is. Like, with a little bit of Googling, you can also just find, you know, complete programs. Alright. I'm having to type this all over. So, number 1 will be APC. Oh. Name. APC. APC driver. Oh, Sa viewer. Hello Sa, how's it going? How go the zombie grind? Working from home? No, I'm just doing hobby. What makes you think I'm working? What are you going on about? Leave me alone. Nama. Actually, I should go... Max. Level? Rank? What do you even call it? I give soldier 1, 2, 3, 4. Is that a rank? Is that a level? Max level is 5. Screw you. This looks hella work. No, this is hobby. Believe it or not. Like, this is just me doing a hobby. Zombie grind. Workstream? No, I couldn't workstream. I think that would... I don't think my company would agree to that. Put up to enlisted, we need a 4th. I need to head off to bed in a little bit. I'm sorry, Sarah. Would love to play, but it's just a little bit late. Wait, why did you just... Did I saw it like suggesting business as a name? That's weird. Alright, number 3 will be AT Gunner. Next level will be 2. Oh yeah, sorry, I need to add a comma over there. ID number 4 will be name engineer. You guys set a new record, by the way, Zara? Or are you still you're still like at only 10 minutes, like a scrub. Programmer's talk? Meh. We try. Fighter pilot. Can go up to level 3. Alright, add a comma, say ID number 6. Look at programmer memes. Yeah, there's a lot. Some more generous than others. Is there any logic to like between the different levels? Like a fighter pilot 1 has 4, 5, 6. And fighter pilot 2... Oh. I did not really. It's just individual per level, isn't it? Yeah. But it's gonna be a nightmare to program. I am probably gonna have to like do divisions per... It's not gonna be horrible to program. It's gonna be horrible because I have to type it over. I am not looking forward to that. Just looking at this, it's like, yeah, you have the base 4, 6, yeah, and you just add these modifiers to it. And then every level, let's see, it goes +2, +2, +2, +6. And you also have the default perk. Oh lord, I forgot about the default perks. Amazing. Bird on the name when your program is a mess but does the job. Yep. That is me in a lot of situations. It's just like I'm just gonna put shit together. It's gonna be like objectively awful programming, but it will get the job done. And if I don't need to learn it more than once, that's enough. Fighter pilot, and then we go flame trooper. The max level will be 2. You make the Gaijin enlisted tent? What do you mean? Guerrilla. Max level is 2. Oh, nice. There's no Guerrilla 1, so I also have to have a min level 2. Beautiful. Make a spaghetti code. It does work. I fully hope and believe the Gaijin writes better spaghetti code than I do. You do not want to see my factorial bases. The machine gunner. Why did I... Right, and close those in D. Add a name to it. Min level is 1. Max level will be number 3. Upgrading is probably difficult. It probably is. Then again, I mean, they did some like pretty impactful changes to the system over the time, like just fully upending the perk system. Oh, I always want to look at code, Julie. If you want me to look at something, just send it through. A medic. Medic is min level 1, max level 1. You done one? Oh, you done a couple, yeah. Mortar. Wait, isn't there a Mortarman too? Oh, I forgot to add a comma there. Shit. There we go. And we add a max level. ID 11. The name is radio operator. Min level is 1. I keep forgetting to add a comma. Max level is 2. And number 12. What's number 12? Rider. There's only one rider? Yeah, there's only one motorbike, so that does make sense. Go ID number 13. Name is Rifleman. Asking, do you think enlisted should add for common engineers to build an AA setup? I don't really see the use of our AA guns. I don't think so. I don't really see the need for it. I think there's plenty of ways to deal with planes. And you don't want to make it impossible to make to fly planes. It will be shitty. Number 14, which will be the sniper squad. Starts at level 1, ends at level 3. As for general engineers, you mean for the ones that are not in the engineer squads? No, I still don't think so. Like, you don't want to nerf planes too hard. I don't feel like planes are problematic in any way right now. So I don't think there is a need to be able to counter planes. Next level on the tankers is 3. Starts next to yeah. Is there a in this amazing resource? Oh my god, there's also just all the squads and all the unique soldiers. Yeah, I'm not adding those. Alright, then paratroopers. Tech tree uses arc. Oh my god, alright. I think generally it will be a combination of anti-infantry and anti-play. I mean, theoretically, you can use the like the MT-34s for anti-plane stuff, right? It's just really hard to hit. Like you could add a rectangle or like the little circle that you use to. Wait, I think this is untrue. Build perk speeds also makes destruction quicker. I believe Zaha once checked that for me. I'm not sure though. Do they have like all the perks? They do. Oh, that's amazing. Just checking, is there any... Yeah. Because there are like some specific... Yeah, mortar and mortar ammunition. Alright, I just have to copy a lot of it, I guess. Let's see. Because right now we have all of these. So I need to update these perks. Because I did, let's see, you exclude tankers. Tankers are now all the way at the bottom. So that's number 15. Next song, please. That's my pause button, not my next song button. Number 15. So all the ones in there need to get a little 5 added to it. 15, 15, 15, 15, 15, 15, 15, Per Discord? Yeah, you can send it just in DM over Discord if you want. You can, if you want, I did make a Discord server where you can dump it in, but I'm literally the only one in there right now. should be linked in my, like I said, you can also just send it over DM. But should be linked in my little Discord thingy below the stream. I keep gesturing as if you're able to see. And number 15. Are you in SGF? Yeah, I probably am. I'm definitely, I don't know if you're in Tessie's Discord, but I'm definitely in there. Yeah, I'm in SGF's as well. Alright, the pilots. Where are them pilots? Fighter pilot, ID number 5. What's the other one? Where's the attacker pilot? Went into Discord channel. What Discord channel? Oh, there you are. You can probably just dump it in programming. It should be under talk. Oh my god, I set this up like a long time ago and I still need to actually set it up correctly. So I'm sorry if there's any troubles, or let me know if you run into any troubles. Yeah, take your time. I need to find this bias. What am I doing? I am working. You can get a longer explanation if you type exclamation point plans. But in short end, I am trying to make a little app where you can like perk out enlisted soldiers and get a URL where you can share that to others. Need to remove the Discord token. That's fair. Please remove the Discord token. But I want to make it able for somebody to design a soldier or perk out a soldier and share that with a little URL to others. So today I got it working like where you can add soldiers and delete soldiers. The soldiers are not doing anything yet. There's nothing that add perks or add a class. But that will be the next step. Right now I'm just working on a list that I can use to get all the perks, get all the soldiers. Is this a cheat? No. Like, no. You can just, like, fantasy design your soldiers. You have a failsafe system as lead. That's smart. Like, if you're gonna be hard coding with your own Discord token, you do need a failsafe system. Alright, number 4 needs to be number 5. Pilots, number 4. It's German. I can read Dutch at least, so you know, that's something. Hang on. You don't mind me sharing this on stream, right? Because then I can just copy it. There's more? Oh, thank you for flashing that in my face. Where's my downloads? There we go. You don't really understand it, but you can do it. If you, there we go. If you open that, there's like a little visual thing that explains it better than I can do it right now. It will kick itself out certain, like the link channels, fair enough. Are you a developer? Yeah, I work as an IT developer, as an IT programmer. I work as a programmer. I work in IT. And this is just a little hobby project that I do. I've actually started this program like 3 times now. Like I started writing this, but this time I'm hoping to actually complete it and get it in a workable state. I don't know what any of this means. Yeah, that's fair to do, Julie. What does this do? Channel moderation. Like, does it download a server or something like that? I mean, yeah. No, this is some kind of guild system, isn't it? If I'm not mistaken. I mean, I'm Dutch, so I can read most of the German. That's not a problem. Clan system. Yeah. That's cool, man. That's really cool. I was fixing some shit. I needed to make 4s into 5s. 4 becomes 5, 4 becomes 5, 4 becomes 5, 4 becomes 5. This is just really, the boring stuff. If I didn't start it, I would probably close off. But I can't close off halfway this, because then I will just absolutely lose where my spot is. So you're gonna go 5, you're gonna go 5. And I've actually looked into Discord bots, writing Discord bots. But the way you send it, like it's kind of complicated, but it doesn't look impossible. Send list, for example, works with an Excel file, send massive amounts of text while saving that for later. Oh, nice. Oh, there's just a Discord. Somebody wrote a Discord thingy. Send list. Where's send list? It's right on my screen. If channel name. What's CTX? Is that just something about? No, it's not. It grows with time. Yeah, I can imagine. Wait, where you go? Oh. CTX is comma var. Wait, I don't follow there. What's the other? I have fighter pilots. Engineer should be number 4. Please remember that. Engineer 4. Where's the attacker pilot? Yeah, just absolutely... CTX is for me, not changing stuff. Alright. I think I just absolutely missed the attacker pilot. Whoops. Alright. So number 16 will be the attacker pilot. Could replace it. Yeah, I was just wondering. Because I see it being passed as like a parameter to some of these things. The add bot things. But I think it's just a placeholder about Discord server, something like that. Like it just gives you the info about the current channel you're in and what users are there, something like that. Because I've seen on all these like add bot thingies. Bologna, CTX, user is the Discord reason. Bot command. These are the commands the bot listens to, something like that. Dev speichern is to save data, yeah. Sorry, ID is 16. Name is attacker pilot. Min level is 1. Max level is 3. That should be right? Attacker pilots are level 3. Yep. And now, yeah, it's a warning. That makes a lot of sense. Like I said, I can, because I'm Dutch, I can probably read. I can read most German. Not really good at like speaking it, but translating it from German to Dutch or English is relatively easy. Or from German to Dutch, sorry. $16. The code is spaghetti. Actually, it's pretty well formatted. And the thing is, especially for these kind of things, like this is like it's relatively small and it's spread up in. Hang on, I'm gonna finish this and then I can switch back. I'm only halfway. God dang! All right. Wait, I can probably just replace, if I go 8 this with 16 this, replace all, and you're just gonna have to look at all the other 8s that's in there. ID 8, ID 18, cost 8, cost 8. Alright, that's that. Still quite readable if you have time. I mean, I just scanned it and yeah, this seems readable. Like, I wasn't quite sure about the entry point, but I'm assuming these add bot thingies, like add bot commands, somebody calling the bot. So in this case, you have command warning. With the Discord user, reason is none. So you can say you want to warn. It's a command the bot listens to. CTX is, I think, is the default thingy. The user will give you a Discord user that probably has to be warned. Here's an empty parameter and you can give a reason. Default reason is none. So this has to be given in the moderation channel. You try to send the user du wurdest gewarnt, Grund reason. So you're getting a warning for X reason. If Discord does forbidden, it's probably some error thingy. CTX send benutzer kan direct naar stand komen. Alright, you can send direct message. You can send direct messages to this player. Yeah, or either 9, so you can check if you're getting an answer. If the answer is yes, you can send it again. You have the awards. I mean, this is pretty concise. What do you have? Bot command, head roll, regiment leader. Oh, this is for if somebody's a regiment leader. They can do some fun. Kriegsanfang and send list are the biggest part. Yeah, this is like starting a war or something like that. Let me check the send list. If length message attachment 0, you need to add a CSV file. Makes sense. It has to be a CSV, makes sense. So you read it, you replace it with .text. Not sure why you're doing that. With start of war, plenty of stuff should happen. Yeah, I can imagine. Probably has a lot happening. Wait, why? Alright. Just one question. Why do you start a loop with while true? Why don't you keep track of the data? And you go like, well, data is not 0. This is not correct Python. I think it's something like not. in Python. I'm not great, not sure. But a while true loop, that has me like, ooh, that's dangerous. That's very dangerous. Because what if data? What if data never reaches 0? Now you got an infinite loop in your Discord. Alright, let's see. Zeilen. Zeilen is something like time. Of time, is it? Like the amount of times you've done it. Data is the thingy from the text file you just opened. Like the first data point probably, right? Yeah, the first line. I'm gonna assume line. You split it by this one because that's how it works. That's how CSVs works. Does it though? Does it really? Like right now, yes, probably in every path it will reach 0, but you might like some other time make a change in this. Yeah, that's fair, but you might make a change. Oh god. Ah! Dang it. Discard podcasts. Alright, that should be it. You're still there, Julie? Because my main argument would be, where were we? Where was the thingy? I went up and down. Yes, if you ever make like a change in here, and that I would not be 0 for some reason, because, you know, it ends at -1. Imagine. Everything would break. So I would highly advise doing something like this. Just to have that little check. Something like that. This will probably break stuff. But I would highly advise not going while true. I'm pretty sure in Python, like your read and print, is this a local thingy? Let me check. Read and print. Try with open as file, if line, start line, yada yada yada. Line split. You see, it is a risk. That's what I'm like. From reading it just quickly, I can say, yeah, this will probably not break within, like with the current system. But I can see a change breaking it, and you should be careful with that. Other than that, it's a really cool system, man. Just looking through it, just on the surface, it looks really cool. And it doesn't seem too spaghetti code for Python stuff. Especially for the Python, kind of Python I write, because, wait, hang on. I tried to show you before, but that was like, probably a bad example. All my Python code is bad examples. Who am I kidding? Again. I'm doing just a lot of it. This fucking function is so long. To be fair, I partially work with ChatGPT. That's not necessarily a bad thing. I like to use ChatGPT for stuff like array deconstruction. Like I have an array and I need to do some certain thing to it. You know, I always forget the proper order of stuff. It's not bad using stuff like ChatGPT. It's bad to just blindly assume it's correct. You should always make sure you understand the code that's in there. That's what I try to do at least. Anyway, it is 11:15. Unlike art programmers don't care about their code. I care about my code. I care that it works. And there's some code like the enlisted thingy I'm making. I want this to be good code. I want this to be updatable and maintainable. I want to make it now in a proper way. So that if they ever add a class, that I just have to add them like in 2 or 3 files. Like these kind of data files. And if that works, yeah, I just wanna like add new squads easily in that way. Or new perks or anything like that. So I can keep this updatable and relevant. It works, but the AI trains of it. Yeah, but the AI trains on a lot of stuff. And the AI ain't always right. Ugh. Alright, it is sadly time for me to leave you all behind. So I need to work on the morrow. And to be honest, my plan was to be closing off like 45 minutes ago. Let me see who else, if there's anybody I know streaming. Fantasy artists having a problem with AI, with programmers. Yeah, it kind of feels that way. I think like the other AI art is can be pretty fucking shitty. And can be really stealing stuff, but I don't think the same is true for AI in programming. I think it can be harmful in some ways, but it's not stealing stuff from us. Just having a look, I don't really see anyone online. Y'all have someone? I could also just look in this category. I don't really go here a lot. I could see if there's somebody who seems cool. Programmer, it's not stealing, it's working together. You know, maybe without explicit consent, but it still holds. I do not see anyone. You think a lot of people share their piece like golden blocks. Yes, that's also true. There's just a lot of people in here. Web dev random projects, AI, TTS, translation. You know what? Yeah, sure, mate. I do not know who this is, but do give them warm regards. I am late. So I do. I am about to leave. It's nice to have you here. Yeah, I really need to head to bed. Julie, thank you for your code. It was really interesting looking through it. And I'll hope to see y'all later. I'm gonna raid up to some other web developer. Thank you for being here, Lucy. Well, it's nice to see you as well. So a little bit I do. My words tonight. I'm sorry. Bye bye, everybody.